Welcome to Leopard's Lair near Pride Lands Reserve in South Africa. Our room number 1 is very spacious, beautiful bed, very comfortable. Double sinks, which is very nice. In addition to the tub inside the space, there was also a shower outside. This deck is private from the rest of the resort. Little seating area here. Also, this closet mudroom style location was pretty big. We had plenty of space to hang. There was also a space heater, which at the time we went, we did not need, and a blow dryer. A large bar across the back with some information about the resort. There was a tea and coffee station, added charging station, and a mini fridge. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.